Babe, honestly, I think we need a break. I just need my space.
A break? Yeah. Janet, the last time you went to the kitchen for 5 minutes, you texted me, I miss you. Who is gonna survive the space, me or you? Who falls faster anyway? Who cried during my sister's wedding?
Okay, fine.
I fall faster, but I'm not giving you any space. Cry about it.
You're lucky you're cute. Otherwise, I'd charge you for these chips. Amala tomorrow, you're paying.
Deal. Wait, Janet, look.
Oh no, the chips spilled. See, this is why we need that break.
Let's get down to my screen to learn how to create a consistent AI video like this that you just watched. The prompt for this particular video is inside my community. The link to join the community group is in the description below, so you can join through the link that I have put inside the description below, so that you can have access to the prompt you can always use to generate dialogue, the image needed, and the video easily. All right, let's go to my screen. Okay, let's get started to undo the script and then also create the video. So this is prompt that we need. Act as an expert short form video script writer and AI image/video prompt engineer. I need an highly engaging. So if you need this prompt like this template, so that you can generate any because you can see that as I wrote it here, please structure the output exactly like it is. The short script with 30 seconds script split into 5 seconds interval 0.5, so that is we are creating 30 seconds in total of video. The image generation prompt for each 5 second split, provide highly detailed chat GPT blah blah blah, as in this is the statement that is going to create prompt for each scene inside the video. And then also a video generation prompt for each 5 second split, provide emotion prompts optimized for AI. Use the following specific elements, that is here you will enter the character name, that is Janet. This is the character name. So if you have more than one character in the script, you can add more to it. Still, I only have Janet and Peter to talk here. You know, all this, that means for instead of you having physical cast to make skits for you, you can just prepare everything here yourself just easily, and you are going to have 30 seconds video file for yourself to upload. You don't have to gather people and then start comedy skit and video screen video production. So I have Janet and Peter to act for me, made by AI. So the core topic of the gist: the girl jokingly asking his boyfriend to give her space. So that means if you want to create another story of yours, just have a story plot like it, very short, just discuss it here and then add it here, so that you can, before you send it. And then what other thing do you need to edit here? It's all the moments of deep hug by her, that is emotional, so that is along the line of the story. If you want something touching, you can just add it in this section here. Emotional twist, sudden twist. I said okay, emotional twist, a sudden moments of deep hug by her boyfriend, a sweet inside joke, and a funny realization. Ensure the dialogue flows naturally like a real modern African couple, balancing sharp with genuine warmth. So let me just send. So if you want this prompt, I will drop it inside my community on this YouTube. So I will leave the link to that community in the description below, so you can join to have access to this particular prompt, so that it can be easy for you to create any AI video. Let's go. Submit. Let me click on submit. All right, it's processing. So the short script that we have for the 0.5 seconds, the visual: Janet and Peter are on a cozy living room couch. Janet is holding a bag of plantain blah blah blah. So this is the dialogue that she's going to say for that 5 seconds. Janet dramatically waving her hand. Babe, honestly, I think we need a break. I just need my space, like 2 weeks of pure and unadulterated sanity. So that is by time, let me just keep scrolling down. So for the interval, the reason why I put in the script, in the prompt rather, that the scene should be splitted into 5 seconds is because based on most AI generating platform, they are like 5 to 6 seconds, most of them, like short video that they are going to give you. That's why I prepare it from the prompt in the beginning, that splits the scripts, then even the dialogue, the image generation prompts into 5 seconds. So you're going to see that for each 5 seconds I have the dialogue for them already. This is the dialogue for each 5 seconds till the skits ends on 30 seconds. And this is the AI image generation prompt. So that is for the first 5 seconds I have this what's it called, prompts, this one for the first 5 seconds. For the second 5 to 10 seconds I have this, and for the 10 to 15 seconds I have this. So like that till that 30 seconds for image generation. And so that is, I have prompt needed to use to generate image so that the image can be consistent. And also for the video prompt as well, I have a 0 to 5 seconds. So that is here I can make use of this prompts, second one. And by the time I want to copy, though when we get to that stage you get to know what I'm trying to explain. That is, when I copy this, let's say for the first 0 to 5 seconds, by the time I copy this prompt to use it inside the video platform I'm going to show you, make sure you also copy along some necessary information, such as, let me check something that is written here. Okay, that is written here, all this information that is the visual. Apart from you copying the video prompt, ensure you copy this along, that is, Peter's sarcastic look met into a soft 1 mile, so that at least the video, what's it called, the video algorithm, the platform, can know how to enter the scene and how to exit the scene. So you suddenly reach out, pull in, so that is, alongside as the video platform is preparing the video of what Peter will say for that 15 seconds to 20 seconds, which is okay, fine, I fall faster, but I am not giving you any space, cry about it. Apart from him saying it, you know, you have image already and you don't want something just a boring something. At least you want the video to be lively or to be somehow emotional or touching, like create what we call it an intensity when the video is being played. So that's what we have, what we need. So let's get started to generate image. So let me make use of ChatGPT to create image for each scene. Let's go. Sorry. Okay, so now let's go for each of the scene. The short skits, I said, let me go to the image generation section. So I have a consistent character and style anchor, cinematic for 8K resolution, short and blah blah blah. I don't, character is this, beautiful high. So that is, now in as if in case I don't have that statement, thank God I have it there. As a Janet, a beautiful 24-year-old Nigerian woman with long micro blah 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 blah. So all those information are still inside the 26-year-old Nigerian man, all the information. So that means I just only need to copy this and then paste it on ChatGPT. So in case, so as to have a, how should I call it now, a consistent aspect ratio of image. You know, in the image here now, nothing is specified that maybe it should be portrait or landscape. So you can add it to it, and don't forget to add it. Portrait for reels is 9:16 aspect ratio. Aspect ratio 9:16, and then click on create image. So that, and then let me hit on send. So it's processing that. And one thing about ChatGPT is it also has limits, and the reason why I'm making use of ChatGPT and not Gemini is because Gemini will put a watermark on your image, and I won't want that on my image or when I'm creating videos. So that's why I want to make use of ChatGPT. And by the time I exhaust chances on inside what's it called, ChatGPT, like the free mode that I'm using, that means I would have to go over to another platform that is generating image with no watermark. So let's just proceed with what we have here. So this is the image that it has given me. This is the image. You can see how lovely and no watermark below, so you can save image. So let me create new folder for this folder. I call it Janet pizza video, so that every images I'm dropping will be entering this particular folder. So save it, and then let's go again back to the second prompt for remind me later. Second prompt for that 5 seconds to 10 seconds. So copy and then come to ChatGPT. So paste it. Don't forget aspect ratio is 9:16, and then now let us read what we have in the second prompt. Cinematic photorealism medium close. Peter is leaning in with a sly grin, trying to steal a chip from the bag. Janet is playfully pulling the bag of chip away, shielding it with her body, laughing defensively. Dynamic body language, candid, authentic chemistry, warm color grading. So that is, we can, to have consistent image, we ensure, I repeat again, ensure you upload the first image you have generated, so that the image will keep being consistent for the following scene. So okay, sorry, okay, so let me pick the image. It's rolling. Once it's reached 100%, I will be able to click here. File is still uploading and pending. Okay, fully uploaded. Send prompts. Okay, the second image is ready, and then save the image again inside that same folder. Let me call it, so that I will not be looking for, let me call it 5 to 10 seconds. I will not be looking for which one is which one. 10 seconds. So let's go again, copy, and then inside ChatGPT again, paste it, and then aspect ratio 9:16. So let's read what we have, so that we'll know which image, but it is best that we upload that same 2 image. Cinematic for Janet is gasping in fake offense, playfully swatting Peter's hand away. Peter has successfully stolen a chip and is popping it into his mouth with a triumphant, sarcastic look. The background is softly blurred, focusing on the expressive laughing faces. So that means we can make use of that scene 2 I created just now. Scene 2, 5 to 10 seconds, and then open, and then once it's fully uploaded, I can click on send. Okay, fully uploaded, send. So this is the scene for the next, I think what we just did is for 10 to 15 seconds. So this is the next image for 10 to 15 seconds, right? So 10 to 15 seconds, and then I save. So let's go again and copy that of 15 to 20 seconds. Copy, go inside, paste, aspect ratio 9:16. I believe you know why we are writing aspect ratio 9:16. Hey, I forgot to attach the image, but let's see what we are going to, as if it's going to give me same face of Peter and Janet. If it doesn't, that means I would have to resend that particular prompt. You can see that I didn't attach anything before. I said I forgot. Actually, as the other ones I did, I attached an image to it, but this one I actually forgot to attach image. So but let's see what's going to output for us before we know whether we are going to send that prompt with an image reference or make use of this one that is currently processing. So let's see. Oh wow, I think I don't have to resend. I think though is because I've sent the first image, the second prompt rather, the third prompt, and this conversation has understood what I am trying to create. Like it has known the face, and as in the two character, it has known the facial look, so I don't have to like attach image reference. But in case if you experience such, maybe when you send the prompt and you forgot to attach image and you are like the image are not consistent anymore, ensure you resend that prompt and then attach the image reference again, so you don't have to give up. Attach the image reference and then resend the prompt. All right, let's go. So that's for what? That's for seconds, 15 seconds to 20, and then let me save image. 15 seconds to 20, 15 to 20 seconds. So when you are creating a high video, it's not something that that you just say, hey, I'm tired. That you must not give up, because it requires effort being put in. So it's not something that you will do it with it only if you are, because I have a video on my channel. I have it on my TikTok. I have it on my TikTok. I have it on my Facebook. I don't have it on this YouTube channel. I get that. The video is just 6 seconds that talks about relationship. I just send a prompt for one of the video platforms that we are using to generate video, and done. It creates video and then I publish it. All those kind of low effort video, I don't really like them, but I only publish them on my TikTok and Facebook for the fact that I want to push to have views, not for the sake of monetization. Do you get what I'm saying? So let's copy the next prompts that we need. All right, 20 to 25 seconds. So cinematic photorealism. Janet has her arms wrapped tightly around Peter's neck, laughing genuinely with her eyes closed, radiating. Oh, that's not the one we just finished copying. Oh no, it's different, just slightly the same. Radiating pure happiness. Peter is holding her close, smiling warm. The lighting is golden and intimate, capturing a deep, affectionate couple moment. So aspect ratio 9:16. So let me attach that same what's it called, image. So 15 to, which one is the last one? 15 to 20. Open, and then once it's fully uploaded, I will hit on send here. Okay, fully uploaded. Don't mind every noises that you have outside there. My office is open because of lightning, and though before I start recording, I forgot to turn on the light that I have here. I don't know, does it have effects? There is no difference on my camera set. Let's continue. So that means you don't have to, one thing, well, maybe in another video I'm going to discuss that you don't have to have high infrastructure before you can become a content creator. You can just have this simple headset that I have here to publish your video, and at the same time, what other thing, once you have your laptop, even your mobile phone, you can use it. But right now I'm using my mobile phone to record, my laptop to screen record what you are seeing right now. It's because the image is still under processing. That's why I'm talking now. So you can make use of your laptop, the light bulb. Maybe in another video I'm going to show you maybe simple setup. Okay, the video is ready, let me leave all those digressions. All right, that one is for some other day. All right, let's see what we have. So we have this, and then let me save it. That's for we have generated 25 to 15, so this should be for 20 to 25 seconds. So I hit on save, so it has saved. And then next one is 25 to 30. 25 to 30. Oh, sorry. 25 to 30. So I hit on send. Aspect ratio 9:16. And okay, let me read it so that I will know which image reference we make me have consistent image for this particular story. So create cinematic photorealism, wide shots. Janet and Peter pull back slightly, both looking down at the couch between them with wide eyes. The bag of plantain chips are spilled all over the green velvet couch. They are both bursting into joyful, chaotic laughter. So aspect ratio. So that means I can make use of that last image generated, which is 25 to 25 seconds. So it's still uploading, file uploading pending. So let's, okay, fully uploaded, and then I send. Oh, you can see what I'm talking about. You have hit the free plan limit for image generation requests. You can create more images when the limit resets in 23 hours, blah blah blah. So if you encounter this kind of error, it is very easy. Just head over to another platform, Google Flow. So you can see that if nobody is perfect anyway. The same way you as a beginner, you can be frustrated that this one is not working, this one is not working. I currently just paste it so that you will realize that when you encounter such error, I purposely make this video to be so rough that you know that even the experts, they are facing issues that you may possibly also meet as a beginner or as don't let me use the word amateur. I get it. I'm inside Flow, new project. So what's okay, the image. Upload media. So that, where is that 25 to 20 something seconds? It's uploading, and then once it's fully uploaded, I will enter the prompts. So add to prompts. It has attached the image reference to here, so that prompts that we are trying to work on, I will paste it here. Cinematic, blah blah blah, aspect ratio. So check your settings here before you proceed. What you want to create. So you can see agent will always ask for confirmation before generating media. So I want what I want. You can see that apart from me stating that I want 9:16, the settings here is saying 16:9. So make sure you change your settings to 9:16. I only want image because I don't want to waste the credits, because Flow 2 are not totally free. You have credits being exhausted per image you are generating or video you are generating. So let me use Nano Banana Pro. Let me leave it that way. So what I need is that. So I don't need anything here, but just let me just put the settings to be like this, save. So cinematic photorealism, wide shots. Let me write image prompts. So let me hit on send. Image is coming up. This is one I added. You can see that 25 to 25 seconds. PNG. So this one is being processed. That's the main one. We are 50%. So sorry, don't mind all the background interferences, because where I'm using as an office, is an open, how should I call it? It's on the roadside, so I have neighbors that rented outlets, so that's why you have all those background interference or people talking. So this is the image for the 6th. So that means you don't have to be limited when you are creating. If you exhaust what's it called, the credits on one platform, move to another platform to create another image sorry, for free. So this is the image for the 6th now. So I hit on download. That's here. Right now I'm on Google Flow. I download the image. So 1K, that means once you download 4K you'd have to upgrade, but I can, let me download 1K file size. So that's 25 to 30 seconds, and then I save. So now, right now, let me open that particular folder where all my images are stored. Right now, Right now it's still loading. Right now, let me open that folder, Janet and Peter. So right now I have all the 6 images needed to create the AI video. So what I just need left, let me go back to what's it called, to our prompts, base prompts. So now for image, for video generation, now that's the next line of action. So for scene 1, let me upload, I think I've uploaded the image before, but let me upload. So I have uploaded, I think I have uploaded the image before here. So add to prompts, then that prompt that I copied the other time, I paste it here, and then come also here, the dialogue that they are going to say, I will come up here, 0 to 5 seconds that I have here, visuals, emotional cue, all those information, make sure you add them to your, what's it called, so aspect ratio. Come to your settings here so that you will know, you will ensure the settings is perfect. So always, agent will ask for confirmation before generating media. Agent will generate media and spend credit automatically, but let's leave it this way. Portrait for image generation, you can leave it like that, and portrait for video generation as well, you can leave it like that, and then save. Then come to, I think that's all what you need to. So video prompts. So let's send and see what we are going to have for this. It cost me 7 credits to use that, so it's generating the video. %, 11%, 14, 16%. It's still loading. Oh, it's saying that image, sorry, don't mind me. Let me put down my leg. Your video of Janet and Peter's convention has been scheduled and under processing, waiting in the queue due to high demand. Free feed to check back in a few minutes or keep chatting. So it has fully generated the video. Let me click on this and see what we have.
Babe, honestly, I think we need a break. I just need my space.
You can see.
Babe, honestly, I think we need a break. I just need my space. Babe, honestly, I think we need a break. I just need my space.
You can see.
Babe, honestly, I think we need a break.
I think
I just need my space.
I just need my, consider what's it just okay. Babe, honestly, I think we need a break. I just need my space. So it's because it couldn't as the capture the words is long. That's why you can see that we have it being cut out. I just need my space. It ends here. So if you want to add the remaining to it, like 2 weeks of pure undeturated word, that word is not actually necessary. It's a necessary word. So you can just make use of what we have and then click on download the file. You can see mp4 video on that inside that same folder. Yeah, it is downloading, fully downloaded. And then let me come here to see if it's truly there. So you can see it's now a video file.
Babe, honestly, I think we need a break. I just need my space.
So let me play again.
Babe, honestly, I think we need a break. I just need my space.
So that's lovely. So that means, so for you to create another one, let me come in. To create another one, just repeat that step again of your prompt. What do you want to create again? You can come here instead of you entering again. You can come here and then let me see. You can just come here using the image again. Attach scene 2. If you don't have it yet, attach the next scene, 5 to 10 seconds, and then while it is still loading media, go and copy your prompts. It's 5 to 10 seconds prompt, the visual, and the dialogue, copy it and then paste it here. So it has fully add to prompts, then paste it here, come back. We have added that the prompt for video, don't forget to add that to it. Go come down, we are on 5 to 10 seconds, so copy it. Where is Google Flow space, enter it and then hit on send. So this process you repeat it again and again till you finish your. So in case if you now exhaust the number of free credits that you have for the day, that means you have to pend your project to the following day, but it's worth it for you to wait till the following day. Use Google Flow rather to create the remaining scene. So you can just try out yourself copying these prompts that I have here to test out your own too. But the final output of this particular video, you also, I believe you have seen the final output of the video I was able to create with this platform, and the processes I followed by creating the script first, and even my script at a go has helped me to create a dialogue, the image prompts needed, and then the video prompts needed at a go. So I was just copying the dialogue, the image prompt, and when needed, as and when needed on ChatGPT for image generation or on Google Flow for image generation, and also I just copied it and pasted it inside Google Flow for video generation as well. And then at the end, once I have my video, I have everything here, I will show you by the time I'm done. As in, I will show you I will show you, you've seen the final video output, because as at time of making this video, you know, I'm recording, so I've not completely finished the video. So that's why I'm talking that you will see, but you have seen the final output that I have for this video at the beginning of this video recording when you started watching. So this what we have inside the folder right now as a time of recording this video, but you have seen the final output. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video with your friends so that they can also enjoy the tutorial. See you next time. Thanks. Bye bye.